Hey guys, it's Claudia. Let's talk about two must-have products if you love lemon and lime. Yes, the fresh kind, okay? Fresh lemon juice, fresh lime juice does not compare to that. I don't even know what it is that's in those little green lemony looking bottles, okay? So two products you need, and I'll also show you why you don't want to squeeze an orange, lime, or lemon with your hand, all right? So number one is our adjustable Zester, okay? So it stores super flat in your cupboard, so you don't have to worry about space. And then it has a little pole magnet right here, and you can either zest this way or you can zest right over a bowl. The second product I'm going to show you is our Paper Chaff citrus press, and we're going to utilize both of them today to show you how they work, okay? So a lot of times, especially in your baking, you want to add a little bit of zest. So all you do is just hold it upside down, and you can see how quickly that goes. You don't want to use the white part, okay? The white part is bitter, so you can go all the way around and look at all that. Now you could put this down this way, right? Snap it in place, and you could grate your way to your lemon zest this way as well. Just a little bit at a time. Now you can use this for nutmeg, you can use this for Parmesan cheese, right? You could use it for many, many things. And of course, it works just for lime as well. And did you know that the white part of a lime is called a pith? And it's really bitter, so you don't want to put that in your baking because it'll pith you off. Right? Funny, haha. So here we go. So you can see, very simple to use, very easy, and look at all that. It's going to take your baking to the next level if you use some fresh lime, lemon, orange, all those things, okay? Now for the citrus press, you want to cut your lemon in half. All right, this one is not plastic. It's like a ceramic. It's very, very sturdy. I've had this one for 12 years, so you can kind of see, but it works just fine. So make sure, sometimes people don't know this, it looks like your lemon should go in this way, but then if you do that, it's all gonna kind of go back in your face, and that's not fun. So you want to turn your lemon inside out and squeeze down. And look at all the juice that you can squeeze out of here. Use your muscles, get it all out. Maybe wiggle it around a little bit to make sure you get all the juices out. And you can see there's nothing left, okay? Got all the juices out. It even catches the seeds. You could do the same thing, of course, with your lime. Your orange, it depends how big it is. You might have to quarter it, okay, to fit it in. So right here, we have about, looks like about 1/8 of a cup of lemon juice, okay? So we're gonna do a test, all right? We're gonna try and squeeze one with our hand and see how much we can get out of it and see if it's the same or more or less. We can see what we can get out of here. So number one, we have all the seeds in here, which is not fun. One just went flying, right? Number two, your hands are all messy. Oops, see? And I am squeezing, and it looks like it's about, it looks definitely less than the other one, maybe like half. So look at that, I squeezed everything out that I could, and we're at about, I don't know if you can see it from the video, but it's about half of what comes out with the citrus press, okay? So don't waste your lemons, don't waste your lime. Get yourself a citrus press so you can get all the juices out. And if you need to use the zest, then this is our adjustable coarse grater. So these are the two must-have products for your citrus fruits. Ciao, ciao.